Okay, now number fifth is gander. And what will be the gander? Female of gander, it will be goose. Gander, goose. Number six is dog, and female will be bitch. Number seventh is tiger, and the female will be tigress. Number eight is actress, and the male will be actor. Number nine is female is hen, and male will be cockerel. Number 10 is duchess, and what will be the male of duchess? Duke. Now let's start exercise B. Change male words to female and female to male. We have to write male or female or female to male. Number one sentence is the waitress took our order and left. Now, what will be the male of waitress? It will be waiter. Second sentence is the actor tripped over the scenery and fell on his face. And what will be the female of actor? It will be actress. Number three is the dash hissed at the children. And goose. What will be the male of goose? It will be gander. Number fourth is her husband was at work. Husband, wife. Number fifth is the teacher's son was very ill. Son, what will be the female daughter. Number sixth sentence is the hunter shoot the huge tiger. And what will be the female of tiger? It will be tigress. Number seven is the cold hen scratched in the earth for worms. What will be the male of hen? It will be cockerel. Number eight sentence is in the evening the prince walked in the garden. And what will be the female of prince? It will be princess. Number nine is I gave my nephew. And what will be the female of nephew? It will be niece. Number 10 is my daughter is afraid of cows. And what will be the male of daughter? It will be son.